Every single highly successful people, one common psychological advantage is they are courageous. They do not afraid to think big. And courage is not an absence of fear. Courage মানে এই না যে আপনার ভয় করতেছে না। Courage মানে হলো ভয় করতেছে কিন্তু আপনার সাহস এর উপরে চলে গেছে। That's why it says feel the fear but do it anyway. কারণ fear আসবেই এবং courage হলো মাসেলের মতো। If I want to improve just a little bit more muscle here, what I have to do? Exercise. The more I will exercise, what will happen? It will grow. If I don't do exercise, what will happen? It muscle to develop করবে না বরং আগের চেয়ে আরো শুকায় যাবে। Same thing, if you never use courage in your life, you cannot be courageous. You cannot be courageous. Courage is just like a muscle. If you want to develop it, do slowly. প্রথমে ছোট্ট ছোট্ট দিয়ে শুরু করেন। Journey of 1,000 miles begin with single step. You got to start from small step. If you don't have to jump and go all the way, but slowly build. But please build instead of building fear muscle. Whatever you practice, you become that, you grow that. It's a magical formula. Whatever you practice, you grow that. Whether it's fear or whether it's courage.